In our last video of this chapter, I told you or showed you how you can embed images into InDesign and use the links palette, but I also told you that natively InDesign does not embed those files into itself. It just merely embeds a preview image or a preview of that link, right? But what if you're using something like the CBRE logo that you know you're going to use throughout your entire document, and maybe you want to go ahead and embed that because you're going to send it over to a provider or something, or for whatever reason you want to embed it? Well, by embedding it, obviously you don't have to worry about relinking the file or anything of that sort. But one thing I want to point out is while you do have the ability to embed images into your InDesign file, that does take up a lot of memory. And the more images that you embed into your InDesign file, the larger your InDesign file is going to be on your hard disk. And if you're typically running on a machine that is running fairly sluggish, then this is definitely not a good idea. But I'm going to show you how to do it. There are a number of ways that you can embed a file, but the primary way is to highlight the image that you want to embed. So let me scroll up here and just find one we may want to embed, like the CBRE logo. And as I select it, you can see that it highlights in my links palette. So if I come up to the flyout menu, here's an option for embedding that link. So if I select that option, it's no longer going to be linked to an image on my hard drive. It's going to embed it into the actual document and increase the file size of that document. But just so you know, that is an option that is available, although I don't recommend it. I always encourage you to use links. That way, when we learn things like you're going to learn in the next movie about editing these images, that whole process becomes seamless.